never pet them. Your hands should be inside the vehicle at all times. And if you drop something, let me know and I'll go get it for you. All the animals we're about to see here are from the continent of Africa.
African panther.
We're going to be driving back to this yard on our way out of here. So I'll be sure to tell you a little bit about all these guys when we come back through. If you look over to the right, we've got some monkeys there. They're not fertilized, so they won't hatch, but you
Oh, that looks like the old tracks that they used to ride
each
on.
ostrich egg is equal to about 20 chicken eggs. Ostriches are the largest bird in the world, growing up tall. They're also the fastest two-legged creature on the planet, reaching speeds up to 45 miles an hour. Strides can reach up to 16 feet in length. This little guy right here is an African crown crane. That crown helps keep them hidden in the tall savanna grasses they like to roam in. And they're well known for their dance. Unfortunately, they will not perform on command, so if you want to see it, you'll have to look on YouTube. There's about 200 videos on it.
Dang.
And in the trees over to the left, you'll see some water buck. These animals all have a unique ear print, much like we have fingerprints. Their noses are shaped exactly like hearts, like a perfect heart.
I'm trying to take a picture of the
And on their hind end, they have a bullseye. We have 5 females, no males though. The males have a neck that makes us smell about 10 times worse than a skunk featured on the 10 cent piece, which is
Gotta
called
go fast.
Stanley cranes are monogamous, which means they mate for life. That egg right there, brand new.
Oh, wow. A lot of eggs there.
Let's get some better view of the heart. Oh!
There's another one on the other side over there.
That's like a car though.
You know what I mean?
Scimitar horned oryx up ahead to the right. These animals can go up to 90 days without water.
Oh, camels can do that, right? Or yeah, I think camels can survive like desert without water.
See them flapping their ears due to that constantly heat. That helps to increase circulation and ventilates a little bit of heat for them. It can also increase their body temperature to 115 degrees, which reduces the amount of sweat they have to produce to stay cool. And here's a family of Nyala antelope. These animals are excellent swimmers, and when pursued by predators, they head straight for the water for protection. Females are significantly smaller, and their lighter colored, more pronounced white stripes help to compensate for that by giving them camouflage. Babies are born looking exactly like mom, regardless of gender, and the males will darken up at around 6 months to a year old. That baby there is a female, though. Baby duck.
Oh, that's that log ride. Baby ducks.
That is a lot of ducklings.
Oh, I didn't know you could go through this park. That's cool. Yeah, man, Cleopas.
That's why it takes so long.
Yeah.
Okay. And this guy up here, I wonder why he's so close to the tracks. This is Fred, the Marabou stork.
Fred, aka Fred Claus.
Every year around this time, Fred makes a nest. You can see it right there. Fred is very proud of his nest.
Whoa.
Fred is very
Well, that's
protective of his nest. We do not mess with Fred's nest.
Or you'll come at us and eat it.
During mating season, he can use that bag under his neck to amplify. Puts more air in it. That helps amplify his voice to be heard up to half a mile
Oh,
away.
right under the log.
Right here. Knowing that.
The baby's about half an hour old.
What baby?
No sudden loud noises. No sudden movements to scare it either.
Wow. Already just a half hour old.
Springbuck gazelles. These are the second fastest animal in all of Africa. They can run 63 miles an hour.
A half hour old.
That's a little wishbone.
They can hold that speed for an hour. And here we have the petting zoo. Got some tortoise here. A little farther up ahead we have some goats and chickens, llamas, deer. Yes, at the petting zoo for just 50 cents you can buy an animal's undying loyalty and affection until the food runs out. And that'll conclude our tour. Hope y'all enjoyed the ride. Please enjoy the rest of your stay here at the Wildlife World Zoo and Aquarium.
Oh, wow.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop and the engine is shut off.
This might be breaking.
The platform on the right entrance.
It's probably because he's been doing this all day.
Fantastic.
There's like been so much people. So Okay.